Here's my baby girls, June 8th, 2014. Chilling this morning. I'm ready to watch the French Open finals, Nadal versus Djokovic. And then we're going to, where are we going today, Kinsley?
I'm going to see JT.
JT's coming over. Then where are we going? I'll give you a clue. It has something to do with this bat. What kind of game are we going to? What kind of game are we going to?
Baseball. Baseball.
Yeah. And here's Aubrey. Kicking. Daddy's making breakfast. As usual, being helpful in the kitchen. There's Dauber. You say hi? Like, I want food. Hi there. Yeah, that's her new sound she makes. Kinsley, go give Aubrey a kiss.
Today they resume tennis's most frequent and becoming most rivalry.
Or sneeze on her. Good job. Look at her. She smiled. She likes you. Do you like Aubrey?